In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Taobao order tracking number 2225, step by step. First, open your browser and go to taobao.com, then log into your account. Use your usual login method and complete any security checks. If the site appears in Chinese, that's normal. Your browser's translate feature may help, but I'll also tell you the exact labels you'll see so you can find them easily. Once you're logged in, head to your orders. Look for the section labeled Yi Mai Dao De Bao Bei, which means purchased items. You'll typically find it under your account menu at the top right, often near Wo De Taobao or My Taobao. Click into purchased items to see a list of everything you've bought. If you have a lot of orders, feel free to filter by date or use the search bar to narrow it down. Next, click the specific order you want to track. Open the order details so you can view its current status. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the right item, especially if you placed several orders around the same time or if multiple items were shipped separately. Inside the order details, locate the button or link that says Cha Kan Wu Liu. That translates to View Logistics. It's usually near the shipping status area and may appear as a clickable link on the right side. Click it to open the logistics panel. This is where Taobao pulls in the latest shipping updates from the carrier, including timestamps and location scans. Within the logistics view, look for Wu Liu Dan Hao or Yun Dan Hao. Both refer to the tracking or waybill number. This is the unique identifier for your parcel. Sometimes you might see more than one number if the package has a domestic leg and an international leg, especially when using a consolidation warehouse. In those cases, the most recent, or the one marked for international shipping, is often the number you'll need. The format can vary by carrier, so don't worry if it includes letters, numbers, or a mix of both. Now copy the tracking number. Highlight it carefully to avoid extra spaces. Right-click to copy or tap and hold on mobile to copy. Keep it somewhere you can reference later. This is the exact number you'll use to check status directly with the courier or inside any shipping updates you receive. As a quick tip, avoid sharing your tracking number publicly to protect your privacy and order details. That's it. You've located and copied your Taobao tracking number and you're ready to monitor your delivery with confidence.